Hi friends, it's me, Claire. I'm going to demonstrate how to stretch a canvas. If you need some advice on stretching canvas or you just want to watch something that will keep you company for about half an hour, I think you'll find this video beneficial. Even if you have zero desire to ever stretch a canvas, you'll learn what a high-quality canvas should look like, whether you are buying a blank one for your own art, you're purchasing artwork, or you're curious about what all those fancy frames at museums are hiding. This video demonstration is part of the curriculum at the Unaccredited College of Clare. This is my totally real art school, which you can find on patreon.com/Claire Lockhart. It's called the Unaccredited College of Clare because, you shouldn't need to take out massive student loans to learn about being an artist. Visit patreon.com/KLAIRELOCKHEART to check out all the resources I created for you.